Right, okay. Come and sit with the cheap seats in the car. Bring your sweets with you, put them in there. I'm only joking, you keep your sweets for yourself. Right, I did some research. I did some research. Thank you, Carl. I want to go to the other ones.
I didn't really understand.
Thank you. I did some research, and I did a couple of tutorials, and I did one called the candlestick. Now on the candlestick itself, I'll show you quickly on the board.
Completely missed.
I haven't saved it to these documents, so be patient with us.
Oh my god, this chair is phenomenal.
In all fairness,
don't say that often. In all fairness, this college is shit.
Okay, let's turn the lights down for a minute.
See, there's no reply to that because it's just a trick.
Okay, the job I did go on to,
You're in pink.
You tried to. And that is...
What?
Oh right, we're playing Sideways Night Hangman.
now,
Oh.
No.
I think you might need to recalibrate it.
it is a bit.
It's on the page.
Okay, so the so give us a couple of seconds to get this sorted out.
Try a little blue hand up in the corner.
Right, a blue hand.
Yeah, up top left corner.
Top left corner.
That one.
Yeah. Oh, I did something there.
Now, one of these is calibrate. Can you see calibrate?
Yeah.
There you go.
Click on the surface to begin. Okay, please click here. Okay, click here.
It's like a game. This is the sort of things pets do to us.
Okay, I'm just going to go back and rub this out. So I'll get the final line.
Well, I think the problem the first time was the fact that it was multiple.
Right, here we go. Now we're going back on this. Fine. Has it gone back and rub it yet? No. Right, 1 dash 1 dash 1 dash 1 dash. I'm going to the red one hopefully this time, yeah? And I'm going to put a little thing like this. We all know what this is, don't we?
No.
Oh, the symptom eye.
Axis thing.
It's the origin. So, the job I did over the weekend, it asks you to put a centre line off the origin, okay? And then once you've got the centre line off the origin, it asks you for 1 radius, straight, 1 radius, straight, and then out this way, back in this way,
Rob, that's naughty.
okay? Then you went on to one of the features called
Stuff for things.
I'm trying to- it circulates the whole thing round. Mirrored. It's called mirrored. And it will actually, you press mirror on 360 degrees and it would make a shape like this, you know. It would actually make a shape that was already okay, make a shape like that. That was round, actually 3-dimensional. So you can mirror around a bit. Done. So we've all done that. That's pretty easy. Then it tells you to turn it back into a skeleton.
Getting.
Come 10 off here. So you have a line 60 and a line 1 radius and another line radius here. Okay. And that's what you had. Now, actually, before you made the sweep over this thing, if you could sweep this and turn it to a proper handle, before you made the sweep over it, it asked you to go into, oh, God, a minute, I keep forgetting what they're called. Smashed brains, I said. Relations. Go into relations button, okay, just here and here, click on these two relations and turn them horizontal. So automatically they become horizontal lines. So the machine reads them not as junctions in the material, but it reads the material as a continuous line. Then, down here, we did exactly the same thing we did before. We had this shape here, and we banged, and the shape became a handle. So that's how it worked. So I think that possibly what was wrong with our spiral was that we didn't join these lines up, we didn't coincide these lines and turn it back into the main points. I'm now going to open that email from the guy and see what he says, okay? I couldn't open it in the staff room because I haven't got the SolidWorks 2015 yet installed on my computer. So, got there, so this is going to be, I tried to get in there a couple of times guys, but it was a bit hard because of, la 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 la.
Oh my God, this is terrible. Just.
Oh, he's broken.
So the guy who sent us this, his name's Ed, he organised it for us.
Where is you, baby? Hang on.
What's going on here then?
What's going on here? Breakfast. Come on!
See. Okay.
Where's the 12th man?
You did it. Yeah.
Let's be happy new.
Except it's the wrong shape.
It's possibly the wrong shape. It is there. But we've asked the guy for an explanation. So we've got this piece straight up here, and we've got a piece here. Let's have a look. Does it give us any way of actually any instructions or anything?
No.
Here you
So
go.
right at the top where it says spiral, or is that just the name of it?
The spiral, that's it. Spiral. So the history.
You could just click on the spiral and go through it.
Yes, mate.
You could look at the connection between the three pieces.
So we go to the spiral.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Very much appreciated.
So there is the line. The same exactly. That's the same line. This is what we. This is what we've drawn already, isn't it? We've done that, we need the next step of this. So the guy said, let's have a look, we can get the next step of the actual thing. Go back into here, close it, and we go to this one here.
Let's be happy new.
So that was, let's look into sketch. There's his sketch. You notice he's got a,
Yeah, but we couldn't do that. We couldn't connect it to the line.
Yeah, well, no, I connected it.
Oh, hold on. He's got two lines.
That's
He's got
this
one for the
and
old
one
spiral, and he's got an overlay for the spiral.
yeah, you can see it.
Yeah. Okay, so you need to draw a line on the spiral.
3 mil radius there, can you see the radius?
Yeah.
So obviously, there's one here as well, 3 mil radius. Why have we got radius?
Because it needs one.
And can you see these straight lines here? You know when I was talking about the candlestick, when you click on those round bits on add relations and you turn it into a horizontal line, that's what happens. You need the lines to be joined up properly for it to happen. Now, would you like to have a crack at that today, or would you like would you like a crack on that today, or would you like to maybe do a tutorial on the candlestick, or would you like to have an actual true go at it?
I just want to get this done.
You want to get this done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or is it two ones?
ROS. Well, I'm gonna- 151, 147, 164. No. Sorry, Ray. ROS
Yeah.
151.
Yeah.
Use it. If you figure it out,
Yeah.
65.
What's wrong with that one?
No, I see how it is. God, you want me next to you? Fine. Just standing. Huh?
So that's wrong. So complex.
Admitting it is
Was it one of the
Oh, fuck, so have I.
No.
Wait.
I'm a fucker.
Was that one not working?
got back in my road.
What do I do? I've got this, how do I put the line on it?
Well, I think I've done it, son. I think I've remembered my password. He's got it. He's got it.
Just put the line on my spiral.
It's news to me as well.
Q.
What?
John.
Oh, hello. Spline. Drawn spline.
What have you got there?
You like a bit of that.
Spline, don't bother. Give it back. Put it in the bin. Drawn spline.
No! Don't film. I'm probably gonna
Go again.
Go on then. Still miss. I know, of course I miss. I can't even see the bin from here. It's because your neck's in the way. Hey, I'm not that bad. Okay, maybe I am.
No.
220.
How? Say your catchphrase. Go again. Go again. Go again.
Not a chance in hell.
Come on. Hello, Spanish.
You buckslinger.
I've already put this on 190. It's already on the spiral line.
Yeah.
What are you doing, guys? What are you doing, Bradley Moore?
What are you making? Like a step.
No, well, I thought the stem was the bit which. No, they're the forks.
There was a step.
It's the bit which connects the handlebar to the rest of the bike. I thought that was the clamp.
No, that's called a stem.
Is it? I'm getting mixed up with
One of these. So imagine the bars go through that hole, and the forks come out, connected to the frame there.
So you're gonna make one?
Yeah, he wants to make a custom
So
one.
it's not perfectly for my size, and it reps it.
That'd be pretty cool. What do you make it out of?
I'm gonna try and make it. I'll probably make it out of aluminium. But depending if it goes well with aluminium, I'll probably not find the shittest material first.
Oh, so you're gonna do like a practice with aluminium?
Or with the shit material. And if that goes well with the program, try and go titanium. Then gold.
Gold.
Then
That's
plastic.
gold's gonna be brilliant.
No, I'll probably do. I can probably find some offcut that they don't want at college and use that. If that goes well.
They sometimes use like plastic here, and you can try maybe like industrial plastic.
Yeah, I'll try plastic as a test to see if it fits,
Yeah.
and then go to aluminium when it's all perfected.
Well, it'll be a lot easier to do it on with dural from the start.
What?
Aluminium. The most common aluminium alloy is dural, which is aluminium and copper, which is what we use downstairs. So, yeah, that'd be quite cool.
Well, hopefully it'll work out.
So, like, that one you showed me had, like, sort of grooves in it.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to make. like rough shape. And,
So you're kind of like making it how Carl and I are making a sword.
like, but there's got to have bolts in the back so you can tighten it up.
Yeah, doesn't it have like a gap there for it to actually go in and it opens up and stuff?
Yeah, there'll be a slit in the back of it so you can tighten it and loosen it.
Are you gonna have it like in two halves so you can? So how are you gonna get the bar in that?
Oh, with the front, this section there comes off if you look closely.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That section comes off. It's only connected by screws. With the back there, that's one piece. So technically, it'll
I'm gonna
be.
guess you're making it because that's bloody expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive, and it's just.
How long is it?
I'm not allowed to buy that. Because, 110 mil. I'm only allowed to ride certain brands of stuff because my team's sponsored, so I have to ride certain stuff. But if I make it myself, I'll say it's not any brand, it's homemade. So then they can't really complain.
Do you think you should maybe check with them first?
Nah, it's fine.
You can always just use it when you're for yourself, yeah. What are you making, John?
I'm making a phone case.
A phone case?
Yeah, because I'm bored.
What are you going to make phone case out of?
Don't know yet.
What you could do is do it like out of aluminium or something, and have it so it slots in. So you know like the chargeable phone cases. Do it like that, and you can have like little screws to put it up.
That's quite cool.
It'd be a lot safer than your average phone case. What should we be making? None of this.
It needs to be 110 mil.
Not to mention they have kind of two separate parts. You could just buy one.
Yeah, but he wants to make a custom one because his team don't let him have specific brands.
To be honest, it'd probably be a lot easier just to try it out on the machine instead of doing it on CAD.
Take all the paint off, weld it to it, and then it's custom.
Yeah, but obviously aluminium, and then it looks sick.
They'll also probably break if you try and do that.
No, it's robot.
Oh, okay.
So that's the jumps on it. Actually, very good. Just not big jumps.
John, you can make an attachment for your trolley.
What?
You can make an attachment for your trolley.
Yeah, no, our trolley got taken off of us by the police. They just left it there. We lost £1. That was well
That's
fucking annoying.
despicable.
I know.
Wait, didn't you say you were only like 2 minutes away from the shop?
Yeah, we literally got 2 minutes away and the police already came. Someone called the police on us.
That's about it.
People really have nothing better to do.
No, they don't.
I'm going to be pacing you to use on the trolley.
Doesn't look thick enough.
Section out here.
How can you cut what?
If I was you, I'd just design one half of it and then just copy and paste it and then assemble it.
Why do you copy and paste it? If
It's
they're...
going to be 2 parts, yeah? Oh no, don't copy. Just cut it out twice. So you make one part, one half of it,
And then just make it twice.
and then make it twice, and then with the holes, that's when you like bolt it or whatever. 'Cause it is
With the holes, you'll want to get something like the same diameter. The clamp,
Yeah.
so take them out, then tap it. What size are the holes?
They're like that big.
38.1.
It's a bit big.
It's big.
You're going to have it so it curves as well, aren't you? Curves over the phone.
Yeah. I'm just measuring how far this is.
Go ask Mary for dimensions.
That is literally 10 mil away from that. Yeah, all the way there.
The wrong size.
Probably, I don't know, but this is
It looks right.
1.7.